Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is a $5 Goodwill challenge video, one of my favorites. And I'm going to be using these items shown here to create something to hang on my front door. So this frame is the Goodwill item that I purchased for $2. And when I bought it, it was just like the way you see it here. It doesn't have any glass, it's just a piece of cardboard, but I'm actually going to be using this cardboard to create something, and I hope you stick around to see the outcome. So it has these things, the cardboard easily slips out, and this is the part where it would hang. All the items are things that I already had. This is from a previous wreath. This is some flowers. I have a bunch of flowers. These are letters that I purchased a really long time ago, probably from Michael's. I'm going to start out by taking the cardboard out of here. My plan is to wrap this burlap around the entire frame. This challenge is hosted by Hillary at Old World Home, and a link to her channel and the playlist can be found in the description box so you can see what other people did and check out Hillary's channel as well. Now I'm taking the cardboard that I took out of it and I'm going to cut it down. So I use this as a little marker. I'm just going to cut it straight across. And then I decided to use some poster board. This is from the Dollar Tree that I already had. I'm going to cut this down to the same size as the board. And this piece of poster board I'm going to attach to the cardboard, but I'm going to leave a space here, kind of like a little pocket. I kind of want this to come out a little more. So I'm just going to put another little piece. So now I'm going to paint this whole thing green. After it dries, I'm going to add this reindeer moss that I had left over. And I'm going to glue the moss over this board. So I'm actually going to put this back in the frame so I can see exactly what part I don't have to put it on the edges. I wasn't sure how I felt about the moss as I was putting it on here, but I just went with it. I tried different colors for the letters, so I painted them with this light pink at first, and then I settled on this turquoise color, which is Americana paint in the color Waterfront. Now I'm taking that extra piece of cardboard and I'm attaching this to this. Now I will take the twine and I'm going to make a hole here and here. And once everything was put together, I flipped the frame over so I could place the sign. After I placed the sign where I wanted it to be, I tied a knot in the twine and glued each knot to the corners of the frame. And that's it, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And then this is how it looked on my front door. I think it works well. The colors are nice and springy. And I'm working on something else to match this that will go on my next door. So I might make a video for that. If not, I will put a picture somewhere, maybe on the community tab or definitely on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you can check me out. My link to that is in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.